so far, the support of your college is really, the loudest ever since the beginning of this competition.
I thank my college for their wonderful support, for being here until this late. I respect all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
So now you can take a pick of our questions. And once again, you can read it once. And after, we will be reading it twice for everyone's convenience.
Okay, so candidate number 7, here is your question. One of the most glaring social problems in the Philippines is poverty. What do you think is the reason why the government is having a hard time to solve the issue? I repeat, one of the most glaring social problems in the Philippines is poverty. What do you think is the reason why the government is having a hard time to solve this issue?
Thank you for the question. As one of the third world countries in the world, I believe that the government needs to provide more of their perspectives towards the people of low income. I believe that through proper communication and knowing what these people go through, I think there can be an achievement that can be transparent. And through knowing these problems that the low-income people have, I think we can see to it that these people can have an opportunity that is equal to the people who are higher ups and in middle-class families.